The most effective life energy exercise for complete health, Steelman Qigong explained. Welcome. Today, we explore the power of life energy exercise for complete health and why it's the most effective system for total well-being and long life. Why it stands out. Unlike martial arts or sports-focused exercises, which prioritize performance, entertainment, or muscle building, life energy exercise is designed to strengthen your entire body, mind, and spirit. Steelman Qigong, in particular, activates all organs, balances energy pathways, and addresses deep-rooted imbalances, even addictive behaviors such as sugar, caffeine, or gambling. What life energy exercise is not. This exercise system is unique. It's not energy draining, preserving life energy for longevity. Not breath-dependent, avoiding harmful deep breathing techniques. Not mind-driven, so your energy is not overtaxed. Not a long-term subscription, offering lifelong benefits after learning. Not muscle-centric, focusing on systemic health. Not isolated, restoring your whole body, not just parts. Comprehensive health benefits. The 8 exercises of Steelman Qigong are carefully designed to strengthen every organ and balance your entire energy system. It addresses the root causes of fatigue, discomfort, and imbalance, delivering complete health restoration. Suitable for everyone, whether you are young or older, healthy or ill, thin or overweight. Life energy exercise for complete health adapts to your needs. Younger practitioners gain wisdom and strength. Older practitioners experience improved vitality and longevity. Healthy individuals increase energy. Those with illnesses heal from the root cause. Start your journey today with Steelman Qigong. One-time learning delivers a lifetime of health, energy, and transformation. Join us and experience the profound power of life energy exercise for complete health.